Hi there, I'm Suzanna, Axisa, the Mindset Mentor, and I want to invite you to join me for my online workshop on the 9th of July. It's on one of the most insidious mindsets of our modern age, and it causes a lot of damage. Now, everyone talks about mindset these days and the importance of mindset, but I've noticed that most of us are still spending far too much time down the rabbit hole of frustration and disappointment. And once we're down there, it can be really difficult to find our way out, can't it? Because like any self-respecting rabbit hole, it's a labyrinth down there. And unfortunately, meditation often doesn't work. But you know, my mission is to change all of that. Thanks to my old complex trauma and my psychology studies, I've actually been studying what I call our inner saboteurs for 40 plus years now. And I've been studying those of my clients, my colleagues and friends for more than 15. So you could say I've got quite a bit of experience, and they've actually become my passion. Now, one of the many things my trauma taught me was that nothing, absolutely nothing, reaches a traumatized brain unless it's distilled into the barest of bare essentials, like what's the smallest thing I can do here to feel better? And I do mean small. I mean so small it seems completely insignificant to you. But that's the small that will work. Now, I used this to develop 4 steps to shift me from my trauma's defensive thinking back into the thoughts that got me closer to healing my CPTSD. And when I started using what I now call this bounce back approach with my clients, I discovered that it also works for stressed brains, which means that it works for everyone. And clients who drop out of the programs that could give them the very help they need are a great example of the sort of dumb thing we can do when we're stressed. So if you know that a client's being undermined by an inner saboteur, but you don't know how to help them, if your follow-on programs aren't as full as you'd like them to be because of dropouts, or if you know that your own inner saboteurs are stopping you from having the success your work deserves, this online workshop is a must. Because when we think of mindset, we tend to think of it happening only in our brain, don't we? But you know, shifting a thought from self-sabotaging to self-supporting is actually a totally mind-body experience. So thanks to Zoom's breakout rooms, I'm giving you just that, with the safe space you need to practice and embed your learning into every cell of your body, because tuning in to what your body is telling you makes the rest of your mindset shift much simpler and enjoyable. And that's true for all of us. And feeling the change in our body lets us go beyond teaching our clients some much needed new skills to inspiring them to use them for themselves. And that is the most powerful motivator that exists. So let me tell you that you're going to get, it's for this reason that you will get much more from this workshop if you join us live. So I really encourage you to do that. And I'm going to keep the group small so that everybody has the attention they need, and that by the end of the 2 hours, you all go away with, I can do this. Wow, I can actually start teaching my clients some of the skills they need. That's what I want you to go away with. Now, booking your place now means that you also get 2 more short videos containing some more of my secret sauce for in the bounce back method that I've developed. And in the next video, I'm actually going to give you more about the new skills that you will learn first, because of course, your personal development serves your clients too. So I'll see you in video 2. See you then.